Today, we're taking a closer look at the BrightFocal B156HAN08.0 FHD 144Hz IPS LCD replacement screen. This panel is designed to match the resolution, backlight, and screen size of your current display, ensuring compatibility with your system. The key features include a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080, boasting a fast 144Hz refresh rate for smoother visuals, making it an ideal choice for gamers and multimedia enthusiasts. The IPS LCD technology promises vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, enhancing the overall visual experience. It's important to note that this package includes the LCD screen only, no extra accessories like a control board, bezel, back cover, or tools. So, be sure to keep your original parts when making the swap. The connectivity technology supports HDMI, providing a convenient and widely used interface for various devices. Remember, to ensure a seamless transition, confirm that the resolution, backlight, and screen size match your current specifications. BrightFocal emphasizes 100% compatibility with your machine and guarantees satisfaction. If you're unsure about your current screen specifications, don't hesitate to contact them for assistance before making a purchase. In summary, the BrightFocal B156HAN08.0 FHD 144Hz IPS LCD replacement screen is a promising option for those looking to upgrade or replace their current display. With a focus on compatibility and performance, it's worth considering for a crisp and smooth visual experience. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.